Hi everyone, I'm T. In today's video, I'm going to recap Asia through to London, and I'm also going to tell you 2 rules that will put you ahead of 95% of traders. Okay, firstly, here's a quick truth that most traders don't want to hear. The reason 95% of traders fail is not because they don't have the best indicators. It's because they break 2 simple rules. Rule number 1, they over leverage. They risk too much on a single trade and start swinging for the fences. Rule number 2, they're not patient. They're not waiting for their perfect setup. They're chasing price. And here's the important part most people miss. If you break one of these rules, you're automatically going to break the other. When you over leverage and take a loss, it pushes you to overtrade. You start forcing setups that aren't there. And when you're impatient, you chase trades and you usually increase your risk to try and recover faster. Very few traders ever become consistent without mastering these 2 things: controlled risk and waiting for alignment. Now, let's get into the charts. Okay, so we're going to be looking at Asia through to London. I am using some Max Algo premium indicators. We've got Max Algo Pro, they're the Alpha Zones Pro, which gives us our alpha zones. We've got our golden candle indicator, which gives us our signals, and also there is the big money traffic lights at the bottom. You can get them. There is a link in the comments if you want to have a look at them. Otherwise, let's have a look at how you could have a look at these entries anyway, and see what we would have got through Asia and London. So what are we looking for? Let's simplify it. So what we're looking for is our 1 hour alpha zones to be in line. So if it opens above, then we're bullish. If it opens below, then we're bearish. Secondly, we're looking for an entry, which will be a signal. And thirdly, we're looking for our traffic lights to align. So they are our big money traffic lights at the bottom. And we want 2 red for bearish and 2 green for bullish. Nice and simple. Okay, so you see as the market opens here at 6 o'clock, we have our 1 hour alpha zone has opened above. The grey boxes are our 1 hour alpha zones. And it has opened above, so that means at this point here I'm looking for buy signals, not sell signals. So when we come down and we're getting sell signals, until something changes, I would be staying out of this. So we then come down, we get a new hour, and in this hour that's now opened below. So now if we had a sell signal here, I would be looking for a sell signal pending our traffic lights are aligned. As you will see in this hour, the alpha zone is above, yet our traffic lights are not aligned, so we wouldn't be looking for a trade until this does. So at 16:59 our traffic lights align, we get a new hour, we're below, we would just need a sell signal in this hour to then take a trade. Now it meanders around, that doesn't happen. We then open again below, so our new hour is below, we get a sell signal, and we've got our traffic lights, so that from there would be a winning trade. How would you enter? There are a number of ways you can enter. However, what I would advise when we're simplifying this is to enter with a stop order and put your stop below, either below your alpha zone or below your recent swing high on this or swing low on a buy signal. So yeah, so this one is a winner, comfortable 1R. We get the next buy signal, our traffic light. So our hourly alpha zone has opened below again, so we would be looking for sells still. So because of that, we're not looking at this buy signal or this buy signal. We're going to be ignoring them because that does not fit in with our narrative. We've got our next hour, we're coming up to 10 o'clock New York time. It opens above, and it's also opened above the previous hour. That would give you extra confidence to be able to take a trade. And you will see we get a buy signal, our traffic lights are now green. That comfortable runs on. You're going below the swing low or below your alpha zone, you're never getting taken out there. You're going to comfortably go on 2, 3R. Again, next one, traffic lights are still green. While you're taking these trades, you could be looking to trail lows if you're looking to how to get the most out of these trades while your traffic lights are still green. And maximizing these, because you can see it doesn't change until all the way over here. So your traffic lights are there, so you could have ran this particular trade all the way up to here just by holding out on your trend traffic lights, or set yourself a maximum and a maximum R you're looking for. But easy 1R trades, easy multiple R trades with this. So next one, we come down, new hour with our hourly alpha zone is opened above, and it pushes through. Again, another winning trade. Nice and easy. Same here, traffic lights are still aligned. Same here, traffic lights are still aligned. We enter below, goes on, enter below, goes on. Okay, next one, hourly alpha zone is above. We get a sell signal, which we're going to ignore because we are bullish. So we're going to let's get rid of that. We're going to ignore that. And then from there, we get a buy signal. Now, why would I not be taking this buy signal? If you look down here, our trend traffic lights have changed. I'm going to be staying out of any trades until these realign. So they realign here. So if we'd have got a buy signal here, when these align, you could be looking to take a trade again. We're still green. We're still green. We're now misaligned. We're still misaligned. We're aligned again. But this has cut us out of all these trades, which, by the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, they would have all lost pending not being in line. We are bullish. We've opened again. We're bullish. Our traffic lights have not aligned with a signal yet. We've got a buy signal, but we've still got a red traffic light. And then the next time we go, our hourly alpha zone opens above and then below. So this is what we'll get, this chop, and it's keeping us out of this area. It is keeping us out. We then come in to London. We then get a sell signal, but at this point, unfortunately, our traffic lights just hadn't changed yet. So we're going to stay out of that, and we're holding on to wait. Let's just marking these up a minute. We're holding on to wait for everything to align. So our traffic lights are now red. Our alpha zone has opened below, and we've come up. We come back down. We have a sell signal. Everything's aligned. That is a winning trade. Comfortably goes on. You've got a stop order there. You're talking 2R, 1.5, 2R. Okay, so your next alpha zone opens below. We don't get a signal. We don't get a sell signal. It keeps us in. Stops us taking a losing trade. The buy signal is above. We're not going to take an entry. We're still not aligned. So our alpha zone opens above. We're only looking for buys. We don't get one. We're staying out. Our alpha zone opens below. We do get one. What would be the reason that we wouldn't take this trade? Why would we not take this trade? Well, that trade is 10 minutes before red folder news. Don't be a sausage and start entering trades 10 minutes before red folder news, because you know what can happen. It might not get to your target and it might reverse on you. And this is exactly what happens. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning trades. 6 winning trades? 6 winning trades since the open. No losses. And the losses that were here, it's kept us out of every single one of them. If you are interested in using some of the indicators that I've used on the video today, you can hop over to Max Algo Premium. The link's in the description. That will get you access to our golden candle signals indicator, our Alpha Zones Pro that you've seen us use today. It also gives you access to a full course on big money, which is one of our other indicators. And there's lots of other little bits that you get included as well to help improve your trading, things like risk size management and things like that. So otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.